Oh yeah, well you know he's very very light. He's very very light. That's right. No armament, no bombs. That was. Oh, he's gonna make a flyby.
Flyby.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Look, look. He's gonna make a flyby. He's not gonna land this time. He's gonna go right over us.